What's up? It's your boy, Geeky Turtle Gaming, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a combining of the old and the new. Seeing as how I missed recording on Monday, I'm going to be recording one of these vlogs and a gaming video in one video to make up for Monday. And also, I wanted January to be, kaiju month for my movie reviews, but that's going to have to be held back to February because I also missed reviewing Jurassic World. So, you can already tell that this schedule is already off to a perfect start. Already missing videos because I can't keep a straight schedule, but I'm gonna cut. I think if you're a fan of the channel, you know why I'm gonna cut here. But before I cut, I'm gonna show you how high this water is. Look at that. Usually you get to see like the bottom, but now it's like gone, so I really don't want to drop my phone. This is the bridge I walk on every day. That's a ball. That is a soccer ball. Why is there a soccer ball down there? This is already making me want to do the thing that I stopped for, so I'm going to cut again. I am back. And I'm going to continue walking. Just like Christopher Walken. Man, I miss doing vlogs like this. I wish I could do a daily vlog and a daily game video all at the same time, but my internet isn't fast enough for that. But also at the end of every month, I want to be able to do like a Godzilla movie. That would take up a lot of storage in my phone. But if I upgrade to the iPhone 7, I think I could do that right off the bat without any problems. So yeah. $10 boy, yeah. I've been watching a lot of Filthy Frank. Which honestly is my favorite YouTuber now. I'm gonna check my high mail. I'm gonna check my high mail. There's this. Yeah, I miss doing videos like this. I push myself slightly harder each time. Let's get that exercise, yo. Jesus. I want it. My calves could literally kill an ox right now. No scam, no joke. If I wanted to, I could kill an ox with my calves. But yeah, I'll cut back once I'm inside, and the rest of the video will be gaming. I'm back, and I'm playing Sleeping Dogs once again. Ooh, look at them dancing. Let's purchase a dragon kick. Why not? Thank you. I have increased damage, which that's pretty good. I have increased damage. Does that last? How long does that last for? That better last me at least a little while. If it doesn't, I'll be upset. When by upset, I mean sad. Ding, 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 ting ting ting, wong jing dong. Ooh yeah, I want DVDs. Oh, okay. Well, can I have a DVD? Well, can I have a DVD? I want a DVD. Oh, I have to go over there. Move. Out of my way. I'll kick you. And I'll ultra damage you. Export. I'm not afraid, you guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you a tough guy, eh? Oh yeah, you a tough guy. Oh yeah, you a tough guy, eh? Yeah, you better pay. Take the money. I forgot the controls a little bit. So, hang on, let me... Okay, that's... Let's run. Okay, mashing A makes me go. Oh yeah, that sounds kinky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They literally can't hit me. I just want to embarrass them. Gooyah. Ooh. I like the song that's playing. Ooh. He's gonna attack. Ooh yeah, I'm gonna take you over here. Ooh, Scorpion Death Drop. You gonna pay yet? You gonna pay yet? Do you need help? I'm gonna help you. You gonna pay yet? Yeah. Exactly. Because I'm working for him. All I gotta do is mash A in this game, and then I can just go super fast, like Sonic, like a Asian Sonic. What's at the tower? I'm sorry if that was racist. Oh yeah, come at me. Yeah, come at me. Come at me, bro. Try to super kick me, boy? You think you Shawn Michaels? Stop being Shawn Michaels. Stop it. You're not Shawn Michaels. Ooh, that one was deadly. I have to let them at least get one shot off. Come on. Ooh. Come on. You know when I can break your arm that you should stop. Ooh. Jeez. Yeah, that's when you learn you should stop.
Why was he beating you? He was demanding 20 times the normal payment if he kept up with drug habits. Your small fee whistle makes sure you don't have trouble with gangsters. That sounds very weak. Over here. We need to know you're one of us.
Let's browse for some clothes, girl. Let's look like I'm a member of this gang. I also like that. Also a baseball cap. Ooh, yeah, girl. I'm looking so fabulous. No, let's just. Ooh. We're like twinsies.
What'd you see? I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, big guy. You fucked up. What? You're gonna throw down?
Ooh, yeah. Let's throw it down, yeah.
I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Yes.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of.
Hey, I buy clothing to look like one of you guys. So stop it. Stop bullying me. I didn't do it. Ooh.
Problem, yeah. What is it? All right.
Sure. Why not? Don't worry, I'll be there. With my hardcore parkour skills. Oh, okay. Who? Huh. Oh, okay. I'm good at this. If I time it perfectly, I won't lose any health. Fighting the way the game wants me to fight is, like, hard for me, so just doing this is easy. I just press one button and I win. Let's go over here. Die. It's too easy to fight in this game.
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Let's free roam for a little bit. Let's see if I'm able to get out of here. See if I'm able to use my skills to get out of here. Oh. See, I didn't know I had to do that, so now I know. See, now I know.
You shit me. So what'd you do? Nothing. Nothing. Say nothing more. I had a case straight to you. You want to start anything good?
After this cutscene, I'm gonna end the episode, so.
A couple years ago, this guy Nick came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I don't mind. I did nice look out for boys in the club. This weekend, this Jackie came to pick up an envelope. Boy, the fuck up. Apparently he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves. You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes? That, oh God, Tommy's gonna get me. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
I got you, my homie. Well, I'm going to end this episode here. Let's just save. Just save. Alright. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, click the bottom left and that'll be a video that YouTube thinks you will enjoy. If you want to see more videos like this, click that big red subscribe button. I'm Geek Turtle Gaming, and I'll see you next time. Sayonara, everybody.
So